everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, greetings of the day and a very warm welcome to Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine. Myself Dr. Indumati Somsundram. Yes, appearing in front of you after quite a long time in our YouTube channel IABM Space Online Bio. That's for a very specific reason because we've been preparing something very unique and very exciting for our participants. A big feast on this auspicious day of Diwali, which I'm going to disclose in a very few minutes. Yes, so before I do that, myself Dr. Indumati Somsundram from Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine on behalf of IABM team wishes you all a very happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, happy and a prosperous Diwali and happiness ever. Yes, so let's pray on this particular occasion of Diwali as the colors of the light. Let our future be so colorful and let our future be so delightful and let coming years be happy for everyone forever. And with this small wish and prayers from God, I would like to say a few things in this particular video. The first agenda is still we haven't disclosed here the award winner of session 4 and session 5 of WWW series 1 of this particular webinar series on stem cell biology from bench to bedside. So quickly let me announce, unfortunately we just have only one winner of this particular session 4 of WWW series 1 of the webinar series of stem cell biology from bench to bedside, and session 4 winner goes to Miss Amrita. And session 5, the session 5 winner goes to Miss Hina Kausar. So these are the two exciting awards of session 4 and 5. Now we have how a Diwali Dhamaka, like that we have a very big result which is coming forward for a star performer of the WWW series 1. And that star performer of the WWW series 1 goes to Miss Asha. Yes, the very first prize star performer of WWW series 1 on stem cell biology from bench to bedside goes to Miss Asha. And not only that, we also have a second star performer of this WWW series because there were 3 contestants who were competing for this particular star performer of this particular WWW series, and that particular first prize goes to Miss Asha and the second prize goes to Miss Janvi. Miss Janvi is also doing wonderful, and not only that, along with Janvi, we also had a very close participant who is there was a tie between Miss Janvi and Dr. Niharika. But unfortunately, from the tie, from the entire evaluation, we concluded that Miss Janvi holds the second prize. But I also congratulate Dr. Niharika for this particular close competition. So successfully, we have completed WWW Series 1 and we've also started WWW Series 2 with Dr. Somsupranath Peach, and we also have tomorrow the other speaker, and on 17th we have other speaker. On 21st of November, we have 3 speakers, and 28th of November, we have 3 more speakers for this particular wonderful weekend webinar series of cancer biology and cancer therapeutics. And as a Diwali offer, if a particular participant or a candidate is interested to attend only one particular session, not the entire weekend series, still you can register for either for tomorrow's session or for 17th of November session or for 21st of November session or for 28th of November session. Every week's agenda would be updated in our Instagram page, and you can just register and listen to 2 to 3 speakers on academy, research and industry oriented entire A to Z picture of cancer biology and cancer therapeutics by registering for ₹100. So that's a Diwali offer we have. Another very important thing is for WW Series 2 also we've been having the same protocol. Since we had only one speaker completed, like on 17th we would be having quiz competitions, and also we would be selecting 2 best students from that, and again on 21st of November also we will be selecting 2 best students, and on 28th November also we will be selecting 2 best students, and finally we'll have one particular star of WWW Series 2 as well. So another very important thing and a very happy thing which I would like to announce is we have also successfully completed our short-term courses on stem cell biology, the techniques of stem cell biology, and we've also completed our short-term courses of techniques of animal tissue culture. So the most enlightening part of these 2 short-term courses are the students who've been enrolled into the courses of the short-term of ATC or into stem cell have been like, awesome. Literally awesome. They've done a wonderful job, I can say. These students were really interactive. These students were like, overwhelming responses I got from these students, and the knowledge, the session were so interactive, and the knowledge they carried were like, amazing. And of course, I thank all the participants of short-term courses of the animal tissue culture technique and the stem cell technique, because without your support, without your feedback, without your complete interactive session, and without your utmost involvement, this particular courses wouldn't been possible to end. And I'm so happy also to announce that we will be announcing shortly one best student of the particular course on stem cell techniques and one best student of the particular course on ATC, maybe by tomorrow evening or by Sunday in our YouTube channel IABM Space Online Bio. So to summarize, we have successfully completed the entire WWW Series 1 of Stem Cell Biology Bench to Bedside. We've successfully completed the short-term courses on stem cell biology or the stem cell techniques, and we've also successfully completed the techniques of animal tissue culture, right? And we have some ongoing courses which are going on, like we have a weekend molecular biology course which is yet to be completed, and most probably it will be completed by this coming weekend. Because of Diwali, we don't have any classes for this weekend. And not only that, we also have an ongoing CSIR NET aspirants. So we have about say 13 students of CSIR NET aspirant who are working with us and who've been like, very active, and due to their semester examinations and Diwali, we had just a small break, and from Monday we are starting the regular classes, and they've been solving a lot of numericals, they've been solving MCQs, and we are in regular touch with WhatsApp, and the students are going to hope they are going to like, do amazing in 2021 CSIR NET, and let's wish them all the best for that. And now finally, I'm coming to the final agenda of today's session, which is the secret which is being maintained for the participants of IABM. Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine has come out with an application for you students to have an access of n number of knowledge 24/7 at your doorsteps. So this particular app is available in Google Play Store. So all those who are into an Android phone, all those who have a smartphone, kindly go to a Google Play Store, kindly download the application of Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine. This particular academy is just launched, and tomorrow we are going to launch again with many courses in its series, and we are planning 5 different courses parallelly, and these courses are going to be just for rupees 100 to 500. So we are planning the courses, the ranges of this particular courses, the cost of the courses are going to be only from rupees 100 to 500, and these courses are going to be like, uploaded in the app very shortly. And as a Diwali offer, the first 100 students who've been downloading our app and who's registering for the courses are going to get the first course completely free of cost. So please do hurry up. The details are available in Instagram IABM Online Bio. I request all of you to either join our Telegram page IABM Online Bio to more know more updates, or kindly follow us on the Instagram IABM Online Bio. We will be posting the details of the app and the courses and the cost, which is going to be completely affordable, attainable and accessible, because you all know that the mission of IABM is to provide quality education to the all students whom we serve, which is going to be very affordable, attainable and accessible to all participants. And the vision of IABM, as you all know, is going to be, yes, to make learning interesting, informative, innovative and informative. So with this vision and mission of IABM, I'm so glad and thankful for all the cooperative participants who've been highly cooperative, highly supportive, and with you all, I've been able to come out today with own application, the learning app, the smart learning app, the students friendly, user friendly learning app of Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine, which can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. So please do download right away. And I've also uploaded a book which is 50% off. Like I've uploaded a book on stem cell biology, a practical manual, which is just for rupees 200. So please hurry up to buy that if you're interested to work in the field of stem cells. And not only that, 5 different forces are going to be in force. Yes, you heard it right. 5 different courses are going to be in force in this particular application of Indus Academy of Biology and Medicine. And to know more about these courses, kindly stay tuned to the YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram, IABM Online Bio. And once again, wish you all a very happy Diwali and have a safe, happy and a prosperous Diwali. Take care, good night, and bye bye.